A partnership between Iroquois and Fairdale high schools will leave a lasting legacy in the form of a new amphitheater along Taylor Boulevard. Students from both schools worked on design and construction, and it's all coming together with the help from community mentors.
Currently, right now, we're building the amphitheater that the students have designed within our school, and the Fairdale kids have come over today to go ahead and start moving dirt and setting up for the third wall. They're going to be putting in some foundation and setting it up for the masonry kids that are going to come out as soon as they're finished to start laying their first course. The two schools joined together through Skills USA and also with ACE Mentor program. The kids in the engineering department at Iroquois High School decided to come up with this idea, and the board approved it, so we started on it. And at the same time, we realized that Fairdale High School kids with the heavy equipment science could collaborate with us and move the dirt and put it to where we want it, much like what's happening today.
We're basically building the trenches, running the heavy equipment and different things like that.
Back grading this, so whenever the water, if we do get a nasty rain in here, that it won't fill up right here where we're working, so it's not real muddy.
They're putting in the rock down into the trench that we've made for the third wall. They're modifying a ramp or some kind of little chute to put in there so that it doesn't go all over the place.
All this is tied in with our math and our English, you know, and it's preparing us for the real world work life every day.
Whether they're an operator or whether they're up here working on geometric construction right now, they're trying to figure out how to build this chute. Everything that we do in the classrooms academically is being used at some way or fashion here.
We're using our verbal skills and stuff like that to communicate to each other what we're wanting to do.
Our kids have been presenting this presentation to a variety of different people. Just recently they were talking to the American Society of Civil Engineering and presenting this project.
In the math, we're doing like set heights for the trenches and different things like that and calculating our slope.
The engineering kids have to come up with exactly how many blocks they need, how many tons of 57 rock that they need or things like that. How much dirt was calculated, how much we were going to need, how many trucks we're going to bring out.
I've always been fascinated with heavy equipment and diesel motors and different things like that. I mean, outside working.
I go to Fairdale High School because of our heavy equipment program.
A lot of different facets of academics are being used, and hopefully they'll be able to use this real world experience later on.
We like it. It's nice. It's nice to have a program like this.